Are you ready to publish your research, but not sure where to start? Let's walk through how to publish a paper in a journal and get your formatting perfect, so your hard work gets the recognition it deserves. Step 1. Why formatting matters. Even great research can get rejected if your paper isn't formatted correctly. Journals have strict submission rules, margins, fonts, section styles, reference formats, and editors often desk-reject papers that don't follow them. Professional research paper formatting shows reviewers you care about quality and detail. Step 2. Follow journal guidelines. Start by reading the journal's author guidelines. Check the required structure, word limits, and citation style, whether it's IEEE, APA, or Vancouver. Most journals provide official LaTeX templates to make this easier. And if you don't want to spend hours setting it up, use a tool like SciScribe, an online LaTeX compiler and LaTeX editor online that gives you ready-to-use journal and conference templates, just one click to start. Step 3. Structure your manuscript. Every solid paper follows this flow: title, abstract, introduction, methods, results, discussion, and conclusion. Make sure your abstract is clear and concise. That's what most reviewers read first. Use figures and tables to support your findings, but always format them consistently, high resolution, properly labeled, and placed near their first mention. Step 4. References and citations. Consistency is key in your references. Use LaTeX tools like BibTeX or BibLaTeX to automate citation formatting. That way, if you change the journal style later, you can update everything instantly. Step 5. Submission and final check. Before submitting, double-check that all figures have correct captions. Your references match the required style. Fonts are embedded in your PDF. Supplementary files follow the rules. Finally, proofread every section, or ask a colleague to review it for clarity and tone. Publishing a paper doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right structure, formatting, and tools like the online LaTeX compiler at SciScribe.dev, you can focus on what matters most: your research.